it's Sonia Miller of Junk Monkey Paint Company, and welcome back to my daily vlog. Thanks for hanging out with me last night, guys. I have to tell you, I thought I had all the books out of the van when we moved in last night and took them with us. Turns out there was even more underneath the seats because I was like, I felt like I bought more stuff. Remember the story about how I said Matt went to the bathroom, came back at the auction, went like, whose stuff is us? Is this? And I said ours because there was a lot of stuff. So there was more books, and so I was happy to find those today. So today on the vlog, I gotta tell you that the living room is starting to come together, all right? This is a little bit of what it looked like in the very beginnings right now. It's a journey. We're getting there. We're getting there. And yeah, at this point, there was a tetanus shot involved when I decided to sit on a nail after the period of ripping up, cleaning the floor, and doing my my session with the Old English on the floor. Don't you know what? That there was a little nail that was still here, and I sat back on it. Well, actually, I don't think I sat back on it. I'm pretty sure that it just came flying at me. Yeah. Do you ever have things happen? You're like, if I was only like 5 inches to the left, that would not have happened. Yeah. But I met some wonderful local people. So nothing better than going to the local ER and pulling down your pants and having them to look at a nail in your butt to get to know the local crowd. You think it's funny, huh? Yeah, I do. It's true. Memories. I'll never forget that. Here's where we are right now. Guys are getting ready to do a nice sweep through of the place. But yeah, look, all this was hiding under carpet and all that stuff right there. All right, and we have worked our way around the floor, and everything is all off. Now it's time to go ahead and clean and polish her up. And this is the part that I've been waiting for. I am going to pull out the Old English, okay? But not just the Old English.
It's the Old English.
It's with the dark stain. It's the scratch cover that I love so much. Restores damaged wood, protects it, and I'm gonna clean and protect it right now. So this ought to be good. Yay! For the first time ever, it finally feels like this place is coming together with the essentials that actually make a home, like a couch. You know, it's feeling pretty sparsely decorated in here just yet. Not even decorated. It's just more like things are starting to fall in place. But I see the beginnings of what is going to be a nice living room. Look, guys, and I have no lighting in here right now, so I'm just going to film this before it gets, you know, before we lose all daylight in here. I do like sort of a dark feel to my place because, you know, I like to curl up and read books, and I love me some rainy days. But I'm in love with this couch. You know, when you buy a couch online, you're like, I have no idea what it's going to be like when I actually get it. I was like, fingers crossed it's going to be decent. So we were trying it out earlier. These are the pillows that came with it, and I do like to have colors and patterns. And so floor, yet these pillows look like this, but yet if you look at the legs, you've got black going on down here. So I am definitely going to pull some more black into this space to be able to pull it all together. And I'm really happy about the coffee table we found as well. It's like a steampunk trunk coffee table. I thought it would be perfect. Again, it matches the feet, so you can start to see how like the blacks playing off of each other. So that was a win. This is fun because you can like put your, you know, your remotes or just television cables and stuff like that in here. So that is pretty cool. We did bring these 2 chairs with us as well. So already had those. We're gonna make use of these. I just wiped them down, guys. That's what it looks like that. But yeah, so these are just leather chairs, nice and comfy, dark brown. And then I know it's dark over here, guys. This is like a grayish, where it's like gray beige ottoman. So the plan is that I can sit over here and then put my feet up with my shoes off once I get moved in place, and sit here and just enjoy a fireplace, read a book. Look at all the artwork we gotta put up there yet. Pretty cool. Oh, Here's me trying to, like, you know, do stomach crunches and hold my feet up without putting my shoes on my good furniture. So that looks really good. Really, really happy. Right here, you know how I said I want to incorporate some more black? I'm going to put a long sofa table right here, and I see some really nice like candlesticks, maybe some picture frames, something like that there, or even like a nice lamp shade. Like you see that guy over there? Look, I just need some height right here. So that is a plan to kind of divide the big room into two halves, sitting area, fireplace, and then this is where our TV is gonna go. And then I can't wait because I wanna get some nice long drapes. I'm gonna change out this rod up here. Let me see if I can get this in focus. Change out the rod up here because it actually is one of those old rods where you have, you know, your pleated, you know what I'm talking about, where you like hang pleated stuff, old fashioned. So we're gonna just go and put a nice, you know, rod across the top, and then have some on the sides here, have some really nice, and we can actually even raise the rod up a little bit if I really want to create some nice height right here, and that'll be good. So I need a pair of curtains for each edge right here, and then I'm gonna need something for back here. So you see there's drapes hanging up there right now, and those were with the house when we got it, but I wanna switch those over. So I think that we have got the beginnings of a living room that is gonna be sweet. So we're gonna have lots of fun on this channel. We have a big house to fill, and you guys know I love to junk. I have to tell you, I've been scouting through this area because now I'm getting used to a whole new area here to live, and I've been passing thrift stores. I passed a giant Goodwill store, like one of the biggest ones I've seen so far. Salvation Army store. I mean, we've got the Hobby Lobbies, we got all that good stuff here. So let me just tell you, this channel is gonna get good because I've got lots of home projects, and I wanna take you junking with me. Even on the back street here, guys, I live close to it's a thrift store. So I'll take you with me. I'll get in there this week and see what's going down. All right, well, you guys have a great evening. I'll see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow might be a clean with me video because I've got lots of cleaning to do. But anyway, I'm happy that you guys are along on the journey, and I love hanging out with you guys. I love hanging out with you guys. So make sure, if you haven't already, you subscribe to the channel, give me a big thumbs up, and leave me a comment below. Are you liking what you're seeing so far? Are you excited for what's to come? I am. See you tomorrow. Bye.